Science in Agriculture. I'm from San Isidro, Talibon, Bohol. I'm the youngest in our family out of 13 siblings. I am a shy type of person and sometimes I act weird. I'm easy to be with and the one call away friend. As a student, I will promote our beloved school to the other people so that they can be able to experience a high quality of education. I don't believe in miracles. I do only believe in hard work. A person may be capable of achieving what he or she has always dreamed of with hard work. And my strength of hard work comes from seeing my family. They are the source of my strength